7 seconds. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. What's up, Flexers? It's your boy Rico Flex TV, and today we're gonna be doing some bicycle crunches. Get that six-pack, baby. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just say right. The number one mistake people do with this exercise is they try to pull their head like they try to yank it like that. And that's just not the way it goes, or you should be doing it. So I'm gonna be showing you a way of you could do it, but you don't have to do it. It's all on you. I just don't want you to break your neck while doing this exercise. It's gonna be exercise for 5 minutes, so part of the 5-minute series, baby. Let's get it. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So just a little sneak peek. Let's get to it. Let's get it. All right, guys. We're gonna be doing bicycle crunches. So basically, everybody knows, or everybody should know, how to ride a bike. So when you ride a bike, you go like this, right? You move your legs, front and back. So now what you're gonna add to it, you'll put your hands by your ears or behind your back, but you're not gonna do none of this. Don't pull your neck. You're putting too much stress on your neck. You're gonna mess it up. Don't do that. You're gonna slightly just put them right there. And then you're gonna move to the side, like this, like that. You know, pretty simple, straightforward. You know, move to the side, like this. You don't even have to put your hands in your head. You can just, you know, just do something like this. But I like to have on my head, keep that head mindset in, just like this. And that's how you do a bicycle crunch. So we're gonna be doing this exercise for 5 minutes. So get ready. Let's get to it. 7 seconds. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Breathing. Make sure you guys are squeezing. 3, 2, let's get it. 1. Come on, guys, that's 2 rounds. Easy. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Come on, man, you gotta love that pain. You're starting to feel it. I know you're feeling it. Easy money, guys. Come on. Easy money. 3, 2, 1. Go to your happy place. Go to that happy place, man. Come on. Halfway there, guys. Me duele la panza, güey.
3, 2, 1.
Chunky beef.
Take a break. Take a break if you need to take a break.
1.
If you can't do it, obviously, don't do it.
3, 2,
Just pace yourself, guys. It's all on you. Keep going, though. Don't stop. Come on. Come on. Think about how bad you want the 6 abs. Those 8 packs. Those 6 packs. Come on. Oh.
Chunky beef.
3, 2, 1.
Come on. I'm hurting with you guys, man. I'm doing the same thing you're doing. Don't give up. You got this. Ooh. Last one, baby. Come on. This for the champions, baby. This for the real ones. Let's get it. Ah. Good job, guys. And there you have it, guys. How to do 5 minutes of bicycle crunches with your boy. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the red button down below to see more content. And if you have ideas or other exercises you want me to teach you guys, or you guys want to see in the channel, write them down on the comment section down below. And till the next one, y'all stay flexing.